Consider the liberty of owning a gym in your own living room. Envision a fitness routine, not just any routine, but one that cultivates muscle, incinerates fat, and necessitates no equipment whatsoever. Welcome to the revolutionary world of home-based bodyweight exercises. With these fitness regimes can transform your body in no time. It isn't just about building muscles or losing fat, it's about feeling energized, increasing your stamina, and overall wellness. Today, we're delving deep into 5 of the best bodyweight workouts anyone can do at home for phenomenal outcomes. First up, we have the humble push-up. A classic embodiment of strength training stands the test of time. This unassuming yet potent exercise is a dynamic muscle-building machine, efficiently engaging multiple muscle groups at the same time. The main beneficiaries of this exercise are your chest, shoulders, triceps, and the all-important core. Execution is key, so remember the essentials. Hold your back straight like an arrow, engage your core as if you're bracing for a punch, and maintain your form if it were a piece of priceless art. If the prospect of a full push-up feels slightly intimidating, don't fret. Begin with knee push-ups instead. They serve as an excellent and approachable stepping stone, building your strength gradually until you're prepared and confident to tackle the full version. Next, we have squats, the undisputed king of lower body exercises. These power-packed moves are not just your average workout, they are a comprehensive full-body exercise that primarily targets every major muscle group. Predominantly, squats are excellent for toning and strengthening your legs and glutes. But the magic of squats doesn't stop there. They also work wonders on your core, providing stability and balance. To perform a squat correctly, start by standing firm with your feet set apart at shoulder-width distance. Gradually lower your body. Visualize yourself attempting to sit on a chair, maintaining your body weight on your heels. As you descend, keep in mind to maintain your back in an upright position. This prevents potential injuries. If you find performing squats quite challenging, don't give up on your workouts. There's an alternative exercise as wall sits. Wall sits are a fantastic low-impact exercise and a great way to gradually build up your leg strength. Now, let's shift our focus onto lunges, the ultimate exercise for shaping your legs. Lunges, as you may already know, are an incredibly effective workout for sculpting your legs and glutes simultaneously. They're one of the most straightforward and versatile exercises you can do from the comfort of your home, without needing any fancy gym equipment. To perform a lunge, all you need to do is to step forward with one foot and then steadily lower your body until both your knees form a perfect 90-degree angle. This position works to engage your leg and glute muscles, promoting muscle growth and toning. If you're a beginner or need to modify this move for any reason, you can easily shorten the length of your lunge stride. Alternatively, you can opt to perform lunges without any additional weights, making it easier and more manageable. Remember, the key to any exercise regimen is consistency and gradual progression, so don't push yourself too hard from the start. And there you have it, lunges, a total leg shaper. If you need a modification, shorten your lunge stride or perform lunges without weights. Taking the 4th spot on our roster of fitness activities is the high knees exercise, a truly remarkable method of boosting your cardiovascular health. This well-favored exercise unfailingly gets your heart thumping and your blood racing, helping you to not only stay fit, also burn off those extra calories that might have been lingering. This exercise begins with running in place. While this may sound simple, your goal should be to bring your knees up as high as they can go. The higher the knee lift, the more effective the exercise. This movement engages the muscles and promotes better balance and coordination. However, not everyone can jump straight into high knees running. For those seeking a low-impact alternative, there are a couple of other options. The first is marching in place. Lift knees high and swing your arms for maximum effect. The second option is the butt kick exercise, where you run in place, kicking your heels up towards your glutes. Each of these alternatives offers similar benefits to high knees running with less strain on the joints. Last but not least, we have the plank, the most effective core strengthening exercise. This impressive yet seemingly simple exercise is often overlooked but is a powerful tool in developing your core strength and stability. Planks aren't just an exercise, they're a test of your mental strength as much as your physical prowess. You start by positioning yourself in a push-up stance, but instead of supporting your body weight on your hands, rest on your forearms. Ensure you keep your back as straight as possible, maintaining a line from your head to your heels. This posture is crucial for the effectiveness of the exercise. While you might not feel much at first, the longer you maintain this position, the more you'll start to feel the burn. If a full plank sounds tough, take it slow and start with a low plank on your knees. This can help you build the strength needed for a full plank. Remember, it's not about how long you can hold a plank, but how well you can hold it. If a full plank sounds tough, start with a low plank on your knees. And there you have it, 5 bodyweight exercises that can be done anywhere, anytime. Excellent those juggling tight schedules, lovers of home workouts, or those seeking workout variations. Remember, the secret is being consistent. Results might not be instant, but with commitment, you'll witness tremendous growth. Go on and give these exercises a shot, and you'll be on your way to building strength, torching fat, and boosting your overall well-being. We appreciate you joining us today. Don't miss out on our forthcoming fitness tips and advice. And always remember this crucial fact: your body is your most valuable piece of machinery. Utilize it efficiently.